Momentum of the masses, land ceiling. Land ceiling in simple terms, in simple words, means the restriction on the total quantity of lands that can be possessed by any individual in the nation during his lifetime. Land is the basis of all other immovable properties. The purpose of land ceiling is to bring an equilibrium in the financial spectrum of the individuals of the nation, and also land ceiling would help in bringing economic equality and economic stability in the class system of our society. In case of land ceiling, the excess lands that is possessed by an individual are taken away by the government, and such lands can be used by the respective state governments for various purposes, such as improving the natural environment by creating forest reserves, or even aiding the farmers in times of crisis. If the lands of the farmers has lost its fertility, the respective state governments can provide such farmers with lands, etc. Land ceiling not only helps in uplifting the downtrodden class of the society, but also restricts the rich from getting richer and the poor from becoming poorer day by day in our society. Land ceiling would also help the government to generate more revenue, and so the land revenue for all the citizens of the nation, that is khazana, can be reduced up to a certain extent for all the citizens of the nation. Part 4, Articles 36 to 51 of the Constitution of India mentions about directive principles of the state policy, and such principles emphasizes on promoting the promotion of welfare of the people and attaining economic democracy. Part 4, Article 39C of the Constitution of India mentions about no concentration of wealth, which means that wealth should not be concentrated and the means of production should not be concentrated in a few private hands. However, public utility and essential services structures such as educational institutions like schools, colleges, universities, libraries, etc., transportation services like railway stations, bus stations, airports, etc., and other essential services such as hospitals, courts, jails, police stations, fire stations, etc., should be excluded from land ceiling. The prime objective of land ceiling is minimizing and eradication of corruption from our society, as land is the base of all other immovable properties. There are 12 schedules in our constitution, and the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India mentions about the 3 lists, that is the union list, state list, and the concurrent list. Land comes under the state list. Hence, if land ceiling law has to be passed in India, has to be passed in our country, then it has to be independently passed in each state. And in my humble opinion, I would like to say that the National Democratic Alliance and NDA, which is the center-right political alliance led by the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP, should try to take an initiative in bringing land ceiling laws in our country. At least in all its ruling states. The preamble of the Constitution of India states that India is a sovereign, secular, socialist democratic republic which ensures equality of status and opportunity, liberty of thoughts and expressions, and belief and faith and worship, and justice, which is social, economic, and political in nature. With these few words, I would like to conclude today's video. Thank you for watching.